My name is Wendy Barlin, and today we are talking about turning tax season into marketing season, the most exciting time of the year. We're going to cover 3 steps today, and for those of you that stay until the end, we're going to have a bonus step, so don't go anywhere. So, who are we? We used to be a traditional CPA firm. I've been a CPA for 25 years. And what I found in that time was that many of my clients who were advisors struggled with the business side of their business. They could sell and they brought in plenty of money, but they struggled with the business side and they weren't taking home as much cash as I thought they could or should. And so over the last 3 years, I've transitioned my business to focus exclusively on financial advisors, helping advisors become more profitable, pay less in tax, and grow a business. We are based in Los Angeles, but our clients are across the country. So today we're going to be talking about my 3 steps to turning tax season into marketing season. They're pretty general, but I think you'll walk away with some real awesome nuggets. The first one is client assessment. The second one is how do you make a CPA happy? And the third is follow-up. So stick with us for the bonus number 4 at the end. So let's talk about client assessment. Who is your best client? Often when I think of who is my best client, I think of who I like the most, or I think of who pays me the most. But truthfully, those are just 2 pieces of the puzzle. And so my first challenge for you today is to actually set about a plan to figure out who are your most profitable clients. These are not necessarily the clients from whom you get the greatest commission or fees, because there are costs associated with every client relationship. So you want to look at who do you like, of course, that's a piece of it. Who can you serve and who pays you the most? That's column A. Who do you like, who pays you the most, and who can we truly serve? Then the second piece of the puzzle is what service offerings do they buy from us? Do they buy everything? Are they mutual funds only? Are they insurance plans only? Do they only give us a piece of their holdings, or do they give us all their money? And lastly, who will we generate the best results for? When we look at all of this as a whole, you can figure out who your most profitable clients are. And why do you want to do that? Well, if we're going to go out there and turn this tax season into marketing season, we need to know who we're looking for. And we're looking for more A clients, more profitable clients. What you want to do is reach out. I know many of you wait till the end of the quarter or you meet in December. I recommend you meet with them in February and March. Why? Because this is a time of the year where they're feeling their money. They're thinking about money. They're thinking about taxes. They're in their head about it. There's stress. There's goals, and if you don't contact them now, you are missing a valuable opportunity to serve. Find out what their concerns are. What services is now a good time to add an IRA, a Roth IRA, a backdoor IRA? What can you do? Because they're thinking about this right now. Tax season is marketing season for us because your clients are thinking about their money. They're ready to have the conversation with you about their money.